So as part of my biology major, I'm required to do an internship, and my internship is the official cadaver dissection intern. I have a love for human anatomy, and that hasn't stopped. It's just progressed in my internship. I love working with Dr. DeBolt. Being around medical doctors and neurologists has been such an eye-opening experience, especially going into my future career as a physician. When I stepped on Bethel campus 2 years ago, I was a completely different person than the one who's sitting here now and leaving Bethel, and that equates to every professor I've come in contact with, every opportunity that Bethel has given me to ask hard questions that I haven't been able to at other universities. So everything and every opportunity that Bethel has given me, whether that's in my Christian life, in the workforce, they've equipped me to now go on and become an organ transplant surgeon and carry every quality that I've learned and obtained here. Bethel is not a big college by any means, but what they contain is beyond measure to any state school that I've seen in Indiana personally. So being able to be here, reaping the benefits really of what the Bethel education has to offer, I have been beyond my wildest dreams impressed with where I'm going in life.